Hello people, welcome back to today's episode of Logging In. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can upload a track or song on SoundCloud from your mobile device. Now then, first of all you need to get logged in into your SoundCloud account. For that, open the application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you need to get logged in by providing the proper and correct email address and password. As you can see, I have been already logged in into my account. Now, let me show you how you can upload a song to SoundCloud by a few simple taps on your mobile device. For that, you need to tap on the upward pointing arrow on top of your right home screen. Tap on it. Now from here, you need to select any audio files from your phone. I'm gonna tap the file that I want to upload. Here you have selected your file, your audio file. Now you need to give a title for that song. You can type in your song title name over here. Then genre, you need to pick a genre from here. Tap on a genre. Description, you can describe a little bit about your track over here. You can add a caption for your post as well. Privacy setting, here you can make your track public or you can just upload it for yourself as well. I'm gonna keep it to myself, but if you want to share your song, you can tap on the public and it will be shared to your audience. Now, once you have filled in with all the details in here, you tap on the tick mark on right of your home screen. Tap on it. You can see the uploading process is ongoing. If you scroll down, you can see the uploading process and the upload finished. If this video was useful to you on how you can upload a song to SoundCloud, please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.